is my new bikini, guys. Thank you. Thank you to all. Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Ayan, welcome to my channel. And of course, guys, gagawa ako ng Shein haul today. May bago akong in-order na bikini. Okay, red bikini and of course, a pink tops. Okay, so guys, tingnan na natin. Huwag na natin patagalin. Okay. Una ito. Okay. Siyempre naman, para ma-excite. I am very happy to get this. So, from Shein to ha, guys. Tanawa. Pack. Okay, a red bikini. I really like it. A string. Bet na bet ko siya. Ingana siya, guys. Okay. I really like it. It's a red. Red. Ayan, strings. Okay. So, ang kanyang partner ay this one, 2-piece. So, pinutol ko na lang yung dito. Okay, tanawa. Ay ko, sa mali. Okay, ganito siya, guys. Pak! Ganon. Pak, ganon. It's like this, okay? So, yan. String. And of course, guys, yung isa pod. Red. And syempre, itong mamaya isuot natin to. And also this one. Magkasabay ko silang in order, guys. Okay. Dalawa, sabay ko silang in order and then tingnan natin. Actually, this one, I feel like it's a bit big to me. A bit big to me, pero tanawo na to kung okay na ba siya or we can do a little tie dito sa taas. Kasi I think this is medium but I don't know why it is big. I don't know why it is big. So, para ano siya, I will try na lang to tali. Okay? We'll tie like this. Okay. Para maano lang siya. Magparehas lang siya ng ano dito. Kasi I think this is big. Okay? Pero I will try to wear. And of course, this one also. Pink hearts. Ayan. Because I just want to have a pink hearts. Okay, this is 90s actually. And this one, isuot na lang natin pag nag-beach tayo. Okay? So, let's go. And, ayan. Isuotin na natin siya, guys. So, guys, ito na yung pink natin. Wow, I like it. Yeah, it's a bit big. But anyway, I like it also. Ayan. Tanawa. I like this one. Okay. Pink also. It's a very sweet me. Very sweet me. Oh, baby. Yeah. I like it, baby. I like it. It's pink and look at that. Very sweet color for me. Thank you very much. Ayan, ang ganda niya, no? Ayan. Thank you to all my friends out there. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ayan. And hit the notification bell. And also, guys, you can join to my membership. I have a lot of 60 video there. Diba? Maganda siya. Ayan. Shala. Okay. Ayan, free dance na yan. Okay. 1, 2, 3. O, diba? You can comment below, guys, which one is better, pink or red. Okay? Comment below, pink or red. Oo, asan yung mas maganda? Which is better? Okay, this one or red one? Okay. Ang ganda naman niya talaga. Okay. Ang ganda niya talaga as in. And then, yan. Para makita niyo siya ng closer. Ganda siya, guys. Yung tali dito, hindi ko na siya inano. Hindi ko na siya tinanggal, guys. Because, masyado siyang malaki. Pero kung tatanggalin natin ang tali, lalaylay siyang pa ganon. Okay? Ang ganda, no? Thank you, Shein. Thank you to all my subscribers. This is my new bikini, guys. Thank you. Thank you to all my supporters. I bought this for you all. Ayan. So, maganda siya. And then, I really like it so much. We are ready. We are ready to go to the beach na soon. Okay? Or to the swimming pool. Ayan. Maganda siya, guys. Ayan. So, medyo chubby lang talaga ako ngayon. I'm not saying medyo, but yes, I am fat now. But anyway, it's okay. We'll have more fun, okay? Thank you for watching.